Hello good partners, this is Nesh from Good Partner Tech Creatives, and today's video I want to show you how to do sales return within Smart Sales POS. Sales return can be as a result of if maybe the product has been sold to the customer is faulty, or the customer has his or her own reason why they want to return their product to the business. Let me take you through on how to achieve a sales return using Smart Sales POS. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to sell, then say all sales. All right. Now you need to locate the invoice that you want to return the goods. So for this case, I would want to do the invoice 005. So let me open up this particular invoice to see exactly what was in this receipt. Let's say the product, the customer did a purchase of trial product. They bought 30 pieces for this particular product, but now the customer needs to return 10 pieces to the business. So what I need to do is close here, then come to this 005, then I'm going to hit actions, then I'm going to say sale return. So the system will show me the sale quantity that I had done on the parent sale. So, and now I have this empty box where I need to fill how many pieces has been returned. So I can say 10 pieces. Then I'm going to hit save. All right. So the system will give me a credit note. Now the credit note is something that I can print and provide to their customer. All right. Now the next, what it means that the product has been received inside the system. Let me show you. When I come to products, then say list products. Here you can see it's a trial here. Actions, product stock history. You can see the product has been received. You can see we have a plus 10 now, that is from the sales return, but this doesn't stop there. You need to go to another step where you need to return the money, because the invoice was paid. You need to return the money where you received back the 10 pieces. You need to return the money. This will help in financial statements. So, because now we can see some amount was received inside the business in the sales reconciliation, but now we need to return that money. How do we return that money? On the same receipt under sell or sales, you can see on this particular end, we have the amount there. Now you need to click on this particular amount here, then say add payment. When you say add payment, click save. Automatically, the money has been returned to that particular customer. All right. Let me take you through a return for unpaid good. So let me add a product sale real quick. A demo product, demo customer, then sell maybe trial product, then 1200. That's okay. We can do it at credit. So we have done a credit sale for this particular product, but we need to return. So for you to do a sales return on a credit sale receipt, you need to first make a payment of this particular return. All right. So what I need to do is I'm gonna click this DU. Then I'm going to add payment for this particular product, 1200, to make sure that it's paid. All right. Then I'm going to hit actions, then do sell return. All right. Then for this one piece, then say the return quantity is one piece, and I'm going to hit save. The system will auto generate a credit note for me to print, but I don't need to do that. So the next thing I need to go to do is go to sale, say all sales. Then as you can see, now the amount here is in blue. I click on the amount, all right, then say add payment. You see, then click save. Automatically, the money has been returned to the customer and the product has been returned to the inventory. This is how you can successfully do a sales return. Please don't forget to make sure the receipt is paid and also return the customer's money to avoid the minus on the minus that appears on the receipt as a debt. All right. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you're having any troubles, you can always call the number 0704 893 242. See you on the next one.